Hello dear students. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of electric current and how it affects our lives. Let's start with the lighting effect. One of the most spectacular effects of electric current is lighting. When a high amount of electric current flows through certain materials, they produce light. You might see this in devices like incandescent bulbs, LED lights, or fluorescent tubes. In an incandescent bulb, electric current travels through a thin filament made of tungsten. This filament gets really hot and glows, giving off light. But there is a downside. Incandescent bulbs are not very energy efficient. That's why LED lights are becoming super popular. LEDs work by passing an electric current through a special material called a semiconductor, producing light without wasting much energy. They are used everywhere, from our homes to our favorite devices. Understanding this lighting effect helps us appreciate how technology makes our world bright and shows the importance of using energy-efficient options. Now, let's move on to another interesting effect, the heating effect of electric current. When electric charges flow through a wire, they generate heat. Imagine running through a crowded area. The more people there are, the harder it is to move quickly. That's similar to how electric charges feel resistance as they move through a wire. When electrons move through a wire, they bump into the atoms in the wire. These bumps cause the atoms to vibrate more, heating up the wire. This effect is used in many appliances, like electric stoves and toasters. When you use these devices, electric current flows through a coil, heats it, and cooks your food. Remember, while this heating effect can help us, it can also be dangerous if we're not careful. Always follow safety tips when using electrical devices. The heat produced in a wire is influenced by several factors. The type of material. Different materials produce varying amounts of heat. Some materials remain cooler than others. The length of the wire. Longer wires have more resistance, leading to greater heat generation. It's like how longer journeys can be more challenging to navigate. The thickness of the wire. Thicker wires allow electric charges to flow with less resistance, resulting in less heat production. An electric fuse is a little hero of safety. It protects circuits from too much current by melting when there's too much heat. The fuse has a thin wire that heats up as current flows through it. If it gets too hot, it breaks, cutting off the current and preventing damage or fires. Did you know electric current can change substances chemically? This is called the chemical effect. One great example is electrolysis, where an electric current splits water into hydrogen and oxygen gas. This method is used in many industries, like electroplating, where a layer of metal is added to objects. Now, let's discover the magnetic effect of electric current. When electric current flows through a wire, it creates a magnetic field around it. This was discovered by Hans Christian Ørsted when he noticed it could make a compass needle move. When there's an electric current, the compass needle changes direction. If the current stops, the needle doesn't move. This connection between electricity and magnetism is pretty cool, right? The magnetic effect of electric current has some great applications in our daily lives. For example, electric motors use this magnetic effect to turn electrical energy into mechanical energy. They power devices like fans, blenders, and washing machines. And have you ever heard of maglev trains? These high-speed trains use magnets to float above the tracks, allowing them to zoom along without friction. This makes them super fast and incredibly smooth. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie. Then, there are electromagnets, which are a bit special. They only work when electric current is flowing through them. When you pass a current through a coil of wire wrapped around a magnetic core, it creates a strong magnetic field. These powerful magnets are used in everything from toys to heavy machinery like cranes. Now, here is a question for you. What is one way that electric current can be used to generate heat in everyday appliances? Please share your answer in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 7 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.